nomor Muhammad Joy assalamu alaikum देखे तो कोर कहे सुमो वक्त ना कोर कहे गुजरात में किसी माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह वो दे सुपे से आखिरी जो सुम फ्रूट फ्रूट आखिरी रूड़ा पड़े बड़े
50-30 रुपए
हाँ सही रहा वो देखे खाल पैसी दिर गई जो कोर तो पैसी दिर गई हाँ बेशर बेशर राडिया मिर्बानी अस्सलाम वालेकुम This is the biggest fruit market in Peshawar. You buy your fruit and you hire one of these guys to take it to your vehicle. It's a very busy market, as you can see. And more than likely your fruit and veg in Peshawar comes from here. And this is the auction system here, where they're bidding on all the fruits early in the morning. Here you come choose your fruit and you bid on it. And if you're the highest bidder, you go and take your fruit. The gentleman here at the fruit market, and they're having a green cup of tea, and this is what they're selling. They're selling their Imone watermelons, and they look absolutely beautiful and delicious. When you come, they'll arrange somebody to take them for you in a wheelbarrow. And these are yellow melons, all nice and fresh.
Shambulal.
And this market is massive. Round we. Just gonna check the other end of it, and then we're gonna head back. And this seems to be the biggest part of it all. And I think the watermelons and stuff like that in season, so that's why they're here. It's a nice atmosphere. And it goes on and on all the way down there. The bujuri. Assalamu alaikum.
₹2000 खानपुर काका से बोल
Assalamu alaikum. Todo cheirando.
O papita.
Paprika?
Papita.
Papaya. 12 dengo.
Banana.
Wow. And that was our little walkthrough of the fruit market. Since we was going past, thought it might stop. And that's what you do. You put them on these wheelbarrows and take them out, and the little kids will take it out for you for 20-30 rupees and maximum 50. And they take them out to your Suzuki car or van, whatever you have parked outside.